Good morning, this is Tom with the Tractor Rescue Ranch. I am back to working on the sawmill this morning, 2 days in a row. Anyway, what I've got to do here is drill a hole to intersect there. I've mentioned it before, and then the bolt, shear bolt, will go through there, and there's the correct drill bit. So somehow I have got to get that drilled very accurately so it'll intersect both those holes and go out the back side. So luckily I have some in-house engineers, my sons, and James came up with this jig for me. This is a 3D printed piece that he programmed, he designed and built. So that is just a jig for get the drill bit, to make sure the drill bit goes straight through it. Pretty nice. So what I've got to do is, this piece goes in there as a sleeve for the drill bit to go down through, and that will accurately put it in the correct place. So that's pretty sweet way to do it. But what I've got to do is this piece I've got to drill out accurately. The center of it I've got to get drilled out accurately, so I'll use this drill bit and I'll use the lathe. And I don't know if you can see these. I ordered these for the lathe. These are centering bits so that this drill bit will start in the absolute center of this piece. So the way these are designed, they make it real easy to find the center of it. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. Okay, I had to put this smaller chuck on to take that piece, and I've got that starting bit in it right there. I hope that's showing up with that bright light shining in the back. Well, supposedly that started it in the dead center. that's all the way through. So there's my drill guide. That goes down in there. I'll have to get this measurement here to get it in the right spot there, but that should put that, drill this hole through here in the exact perfect spot. Okay, this line I've got on there is with this thing bottomed out. So if I measure this distance to the center of the hole, that's right there, and then on this piece I mark it right there. That will be the center of the hole. So hopefully I'll be able to see that mark down in that hole. Okay, I can see it in there. I think I went just a touch too far. So I'm ready to drill it. I think I'll go and put it in the drill press and drill it with that drill press. Well, with any luck, that's just exactly what I needed. It sure looks good from just looking at it. I don't know. Hopefully it's close enough. But as far as just staring at it and looking at it, it looks like it is perfectly centered. Well, I can see through the hole. I don't know if I can arrange that, so, oh, there it is. So that's looking good so far. Let's see if the bolt will, oh, look at that. Look how good that worked. Perfect, first try. My bolt isn't quite long enough, but it's long enough that it starts into this other piece here, so I'm gonna have to get a longer bolt. Boy, that is some good precision work. I'm not used to doing precision work around here. I'm more used to doing it the cowboy way. Anyway, cool. So the next step, I've got to get a couple set screws, and I'll put a set screw like here and here on this side, and the set screws will, and then I'll drill out and tap this side, and then the set screws will be long enough to go down in that keyway, because I don't have any way of making a keyway in this piece. So if the set screws go down into the keyway, it'll hold it on that shaft side. Okay, there's the finished product. Got those two set screws going in, and then that shear bolt right there holding this piece in. So pretty excited about how that thing turned out. Gonna work pretty good, I hope. Anyway, so I'll cut this video off here, and thanks for watching, and look forward to the next one, hopefully.